6th January 2026, and we are looking at the live SRP USDT chart on 15-minute time frame. So in this video, I will break down today the price action and share my trading plan and give some simple advice for both short-term traders and long-term investors. So first look at a big move for the left side of a chart. The price was grinding slowly. Then we got a strong vertical push with the big green candles and rising volume. That shows the aggressive buying and short covering. So after the impulsive SRP made a local top and pull back. Now you can see the price moving sideways in the range, roughly between $2.32 to $2.42 USD on the time 15-minute time frame. So for today, my key intraday support zone is around $2.32 to $2.34, and resistance is around $2.42 to $2.45. As long as the price holds about the $2.32 area, the short-term trend is still bullish for me. So my simple plan is if SRP dips back near $2.33 to $2.35, I see a rejection, wicks, or maybe bullish candle. I look for a long entry with a tight stop just below $2.30. And the first target is the mid-range around $2.40. And second target is around $2.45 to $2.48. Once the price hits a target, I like to take partial profit, move my stop to entry so the trade is protected. If price breaks and clearly below $2.30 with a strong and red volume, I avoid a fresh long for the day and wait for the deeper pullback, maybe towards $2.25 or even lower demand zone before thinking of buying again. As a trader, our job is not to predict every move. So it is to manage the risk. So it's intraday trading. So never chase a green candle at the top of the range. Always define your stop loss before you click buy. Position the site small enough so no one loses a trade. It's just a part of business, not a disaster. So let's come up with recently the SRP has been spotlight again because of ongoing regulatory clarity, because Ripple and general interest in large cap altcoins during this stage of crypto cycle, and that's keep liquidity uh, and volume high, which is a great for the traders. The market sentiment right now is crucially optimistic, and price is above 50-day moving average, which is around $2.02 region, but still below the longer term 200-day moving average near 2.56. So we are in the recovery passage and not full time mania yet. So for short term, as the long term SRP holds about $2.30 to $2.32, I expect more tests of 2 to 45 to 50 zone. A clean record with a low volume about $2.50 can open the door to $2.70 and then $3 in the coming days for the week. If a seller take control and we start closing candles under $2.20, then I expect a deeper correction towards $2 or even a 50-day moving average area. That's a level around $2, and it's a strong zone where my swing traders will look at a fresh entries. For the long-term investor, the game is different. The S&P has a market cap about $130 billion, and the yearly range is roughly from 1.52 to $3.65. Today, the price sits in the middle of that range. So dollar cost averaging makes more sense than going all at one level. If you believe in the SRP, the long-term story, you can get a simple plan. Buy a small fixed amount and on the big red days and hold for the month, for the year, and ignore the intraday noise. Use a cold wallet and never invest money, so you cannot afford to hold for the 50 to 60% downs. So because crypto can move very volatility. So turn up your view today, and intraday trend is up, but we are in the range. I like buying for dips near support to $2.33 with the tight stops, taking profit of 2.42 cent to 2.58 cent. So I stay patient if the price breaks below. Remember, this is my trading plan, not financial advice. And always do your own research. Adjust level your own chart and risk tolerance, and never copy any traders blindly. Manage your own risk first. And please subscribe if you're new over here.